Let's go ahead and go through how we're going to go ahead and do a disconnect. Now remember, this truck has no plug like this to disconnect to get rid of the high voltage, high amperage. So this thing doesn't exist. It's done. There's our connector. You can see it in green. So that green connector is the actual disconnect for the high voltage contactor. So remember, it's low voltage though, it's only 12 volts. So let's get a look where that particular connector is. What I'm going to do is roll over here to the scan tool, and I'm going to go ahead and just put in their contactor. But I'm going to put in their positive contactor. Notice as soon as I hit positive, there's the main positive contactor status, okay? And there's also contactor voltage positive. So I'm going to go ahead and go on to contactor voltage. I'm going to choose that option. I'm going to look at the input status on that positive contactor also. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and choose these particular parameters. And then I'm going to go ahead and graph them as far as that goes. Now, if you notice the voltage right now, looking at the scan tool data, we're at 359 point whatever volts on the positive side. So we've got quite a bit of voltage coming out of the contactor positive. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and disconnect the connector. If you look at the PowerPoint picture, you'll notice that the green connector is shown there. Now, if you notice on the green connector, there's also a red tab that prevents it from going ahead and disengaging when we go down the road and hit a bump and such. We should see that high voltage, when I pull it off, drop down. Okay, so here we go. Back over to the truck. So I'm going to go over the truck. I'm going to defeat the red safety lock on the connector. I'm going to push in on the connector, and I'm going to go ahead and pull this thing open. Now remember, right now we've got high voltage on the truck. Now if you notice what instantly happened in this particular case is we have a situation where the voltage on the actual scan tool went down to what? Well, take a look at it. It's right down at 0. So our voltage is at 0 on the scan tool. So that means that when I pull that green connector off, that contactor actually physically opened up. So all the voltage now is in the battery. Now remember, there's one place you can't get rid of the high voltage at. And that one place you can't get rid of the high voltage at very simply is in the battery pack itself.